What's up everyone, it's Jason here with Red Bee Labs and welcome to another video. If you're new to the channel, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on any new videos I release.
Okay, here are the AirPods 2 with wireless charging. Alright, let me get this box open. One of the easier boxes that just pop right on open. Okay, here are the documentation. AirPods, okay. And nice little instructions in case you want to learn how to use the gestures on the side, which is very good to know. And I think this is just the legal stuff and everything. So we will slide this on back in here. Right there. Okay. Now, here are the AirPods, always so small and nice. And bite-sized, fit right in your little pocket. Let's see. Nice. They pop open just like the other ones, same size. Let's see. Very nice, very small. Okay. And this is actually the wireless case, so I need to test that out in the review. And I think that's pretty much it, guys. Stay tuned for the full review.
If you got some value out of this video, please click the like button and comment. It really helps me and the channel out. As always, this is Jason, and I'll catch you in the next one.